Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Master. We'll be showing you how to edit YouTube Shorts using Capcut on your PC. Let's dive right into it. First, you have to download Capcut if you haven't already. Open Capcut on your laptop or PC. After app is opened, click on New Project. Then import the video you want to edit by clicking on the Import button. Click on Import button to import your video. After this, add your video to the timeline by dragging it. Then click on Ratio button. It will show you a lot of options. Select 9:16 ratio. After this, you can edit your video as you like. You can break any part of the video you don't like by clicking on this button. You can simply click Ctrl+B to break any part of the video. Then click on Delete button to delete that part. You can click Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. And you can add text to express about what your video is about by going to Text section and selecting any type of text you like. After you have edited, click on Export button on the top right corner. Then select where you want to export your video. You can also add title of your video. You can also change resolution of your video as you like. You can also change frame rate of your video. I would recommend you to choose 60 FPS. Then click on Export. That's how you edit YouTube Shorts in Capcut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.